This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Did you know that animals do not see as we do? For cats, red looks almost gray. Dogs mostly see yellow and blue. Reptiles see heat. Warm animals look like glowing shapes to them. For birds and bees, patterns on plants and nectar glow like UV light. And the mantis shrimp see more colors than people. Wild, right? Every creature in this world is unique and amazing.
Would you just look at this cute kite we've got?
This is L, lion.
And I found lemons.
Do you see an L here?
Oh, I do. And if we fold it like this, we get a lion.
Whoa, this is awesome. Letter M.
Which means new cool activities.
There are so many M words.
Like a mermaid.
Mesmerizing. So what's next?
Letter N and this nest.
Aw, what a cute baby bird. Owl and the letter O.
O can also mean octopus. And what O words do you guys know?
Hi, guys. Hi, Slow. Hi, Mo. Guys, today we're going to tell you about our wonderful turtles, Slow and Mo.
Professor Sam, and show 2?
Sure! We'll tell you and show you why turtles are such wonderful pets. And meanwhile, you can subscribe to our channel not to miss even more cool videos with animals. Turtles prefer spending time in their house. You don't need to walk them like a dog.
But you need to keep the turtle house clean. And create the best conditions for them. And since the turtles are growing, you should change the size of their house as they grow.
Turtles are quiet, but don't make any loud noises near your turtles. Keep them safe.
even though you can't run around with the turtles like you can with a dog, you can spend awesome time with them, and it's very relaxing.
Yes, I get so relaxed. I sleep really well afterwards.
You always sleep really well.
Yeah. Turtles are fed better in a separate container.
Right, Sammy. This will help the terrarium stay clean longer. Interesting fact. Our red-eared turtles should be fed in the water because they don't have saliva. The turtle will become your friend for a long time, and you'll be able to watch it grow.
Sue, should we already order a new house for the turtles?
No, Sammy, I'll tell you when. For now, this house is okay.
Oh, all right.
Keep your pet happy? Then your pet will bring you joy as well. You need to take care of your pets and love them.
I love our turtles, Slow and Mo, so much. Give a thumbs up if you love them too.
And write in the comments if you want to see facts about our other pets.
Psst! Don't forget to watch the video about our pet rats. Link in the description. Bye, guys!
Bye-bye, and see you soon!
You can stop now.
Oh, those selfish sisters built a dam so they can water ski? We have to figure out a way to get them to stop hoarding the water.
Look, a lever. That must release the water.
So all we need to do is open the dam slowly and the water will flow back into the river.
And back to Hideaway Lake.
Scorch, can you go and let Countess Elizabeth know the water will be coming soon? Will do! Now let's see if I can reach that lever. Hands off, Billy! This water is ours now. And you're under arrest for trying to take it. Grab them! Don't let them get away!
Huh? That was close! Huh?
It's amazing the stuff that's on the bottom of this lake.
I wonder if this belongs to Zsa Zsa.
Yup, that's Zsa Zsa style.
Sir Kitty Cat, what have you found?
I found the perfect spot for a catnap.
Princess! Truman! Are you all right? I think so. That mud sure is soft.
And sticky.
Oh, thank goodness you're safe. Where's Scorch?
We sent it back this way, but I guess we took a shortcut.
What do you have there?
Well, we thought we might as well make the best of an unfortunate situation and clean up the bottom of the lake while we waited.
Did you find the water from the lake?
Yes, but the twin princesses have it guarded like a royal treasure.
Yay! Treasure! Look what I found! Aunt's giraffe from when Bingo was little,
Of course! That's the answer! Treasure! Countess Elizabeth, could you and Fiona go and fetch all of my royal jewels? We're going to hide them in this mud.
The royal jewels? In the mud?
Trust me.